Hey everyone, how are you doing? Look at the bottom. Look at these objects flying right now. Two or three objects in unison. See them? The bottom of the screen? I'm following them. You'll see later on these are crafts or what? Biological creatures? I don't know what they may be. But let me tell you, on February 24th, 2018, I caught, there's one again on the bottom, two of them coming in. See? Coming up from the bottom. I caught over 15 crafts in this video in 15 minutes of footage. Now guys, welcome. Thanks for the interest. Thanks for subscribing, for the contributions, the donations, and for just being here. Bottom right, coming into the screen right now, objects. Keep your eyes open, guys, okay? Later on, I will be explaining all the flybys and telling you where they're coming in, but just for about 2 or 3 minutes, listen to the relaxing music. There's another flyby coming in. Just take a beautiful look at this, and there is life up there. If it's not inhabited, there are flybys. See the small one? There you go. Pum, pum, pum. Going by. What the heck is going on? Zooming in. There you go. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4. We just saw a fleet right now. Did you see that? Back that up. We just saw a fleet. All right, guys. Now here where it gets surreal. Bottom right. I'll tell you when. Near the end of this frame. Now listen, this is Copernicus crater, okay? We're going to see some movement. There's a craft close to the surface that's going to travel by in front of me. And I said craft. You know what? It's a bit odd. It almost looks like it's spiraling. I mean, I'm sorry. It could be a biological creature or alien for all I know. But it's beautiful to have witnessed, and it's only the beginning. There it is. Bottom right just came into the frame, going to the center. We'll see it again. It's not much, you say? No, it's a lot. It's proof of activity. Doesn't mean it's inhabited, but it means it's activity. There it is. It'll come in. There it is. Bottom right. Whatever it is, it's flying very close to the surface. It's dark. It's small. It's not illuminated. Barely impossible to see unless zooming up. Those patchy spots that everyone says, well, it's blurry, just blurry patches. No, they are not blurry patches. We're going to look here, for example. Clavius crater just underneath here out of the footage. Tycho to the top right, the white structure. Longomontanus as we're panning over to the left here. Just focus on the color that's inside of the supposed crater on the bottom left that we're going to see right here. We're going to pan down and we're going to look in this live footage, close live footage. We see green objects that are like clung or over top, close to the surface of the objects, and clearly seen that it's not atmospheric disturbance or any bullshit chromatic aberration. It's on and in the supposed craters, and not all of them. And why? And when you zoom up, and this is what I'm doing with my process as I was with sinus iridum, we can see that sometimes these blurs, and most often every time I've been, they're cities or packs and carpeted objects or structures inside of the literal crater that we can't see. The cameras are not picking these objects up. We're seeing it here in live footage. Now you're going to have to be very vigilant. There they are. Two crafts flying to the right of Plato crater. Oh yeah. Coming right to the right along the ridge. See them? Coming upwards. There they're in the darkness right now. This is incredible. There they are. Did you see that? This is only the beginning. Just wait to see what this video is going to show you guys. This is freaking amazing. Well, before getting UFO footage with live straight up footage, of course I had to use my technique, and you'll see some lines on the monitor at the end, and those beautiful lines that lift the veil for us will give us a view of several flybys. So we're going to see UFOs. This is the colored surface. Look at the city-like objects on the right there. There they are. Takes time for the eyes to adjust. They're under the colors. See the colors? There's a very populated structure-like surface between Copernicus and the rest of the moon. It's just everywhere. You're going to see lines, blurry black lines that are playing and listening on the veil of the moon a bit further in this. I'm serious, guys. UFO footage. Please listen to what I'm telling you. Screw the lines. Watch the UFO flybys, the fleets, everything I'm going to show you right now. This was all on February 24th. We're going to go see the real thing. It's only going to get better. And this is just 15 minutes of footage technique. The surface is definitely inhabited. Well, you want to say activity? Here it is. We could say it's a satellite. They are satellites, right? Well, if they are satellites, why did I see over 11 flybys? Why is now in the bottom of the screen another flyby coming up? And it, you say flyby, it sort of looks floppish or floppy, doesn't it? Yes, the footage is slowed down because they did go by pretty fast. And the movement and oscillation you're seeing in it is actually the footage. Why is the craft moving left to right? Because I'm filming with a device. Look at the surface. It's virtual. There you go. Flyby. You see what the heck's going on? My camera's not moving, by the way. It's the footage. Okay, the moon's moving over, and these objects are flying by Plato crater on February 24th, 2018. There it is. Yeah, could be satellite, but I don't think so because we saw more than one flyby. We're pretty damn close there, and by changing the algorithm, I'm able to see the UFOs flying by. This is pretty amazing. Say to yourself, you're getting a chance. There it is on the bottom. You're looking at objects that are flying over the surface of the moon very close. And you know what? They look a bit oddly shaped, meaning I don't know if these all look like crafts. The ones you'll see coming up over Plato Crater, right here, you'll be mesmerized. So see guys, we are getting in close. This is the 15-minute footage I'm working on. Can you imagine? I've only gotten 15 minutes of time to use the 14-inch telescope. Already we've found structures in live footage, and we found UFOs in one day and 15 minutes actually. Over top of Plato Crater, there's black shadows now, lurking areas starting to be seen, some movement. This is activity on the surface. I don't think the planet or moon could be just visited. I think maybe it's more than that. I'm going to see some lines in this, and thank God we have those lines. Look at the bottom right. Look at over top right, bottom right, top right, in unison. This is a flyby. Keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. Over the craters. There they are, floating by. Look in the center. Well, keep looking at them. You must see it in the bottom, that black speck. Look, changing course. Moving around like a fish. Look in the center now of the crater. Another flyby. Look, it's going by. Very close to the surface. This is over Plato Crater. This was on February 24th. Look again, bottom right and top right. There they are. They will fly by. This is, and look to the left right now. Actually, yeah, to the left. I'm sorry. There's another one that's even before these two. Okay, guys. There's crafts in this footage. A lot of it. See the lines that are there? Don't even ask me about them. Please don't ask me about them. Just look at what I'm showing you, okay? The lines, I'm too damn close to the monitor. I'm sitting here looking at the monitor, and look at the flybys. Look inside the crater right now. I just counted 4 crafts in a matter of a short period of time. Okay, want to freak out? Watch this. I'll pan down over Monty's Apodinas. Look, bottom center. 2 objects or 1 object with a shadow on the ground. Look at it. What is it? See it? Black from the center coming upwards. They're flying. This is on the moon.
Trying to get the photos of the moon of areas that we're not seeing. John Lear is also and has also been doing the same for a heck of a long time. Check out WSO YouTube channel when you get a chance.